All right, good.
Hey Lou.
Hey, Don.
Hey, I feel like we have our own show here, the Dawn and Lou show.
I
I'm
know.
so excited to be co-creating with this crazy, awesome, creative, giving man.
Mm-hmm.
And the both of us decided during this time when most of us are at home, a lot of people are struggling, that we're going to facilitate value packed workshops that are all you, no upselling.
Yeah.
This Saturday, we're doing the entire Book Yourself Solid course, the entire course,
Yep.
chapter 1 to 16.
Oh
And we're
my
going
God.
to show you how to line up your next best client, people who are going to energize and inspire you. And we're going to sprinkle it with relevant technology tips around how to gain an awareness in the digital age.
Yes, because it's a crazy time out there, and really one of the only ways we have to connect and engage is online and on video. So that's why we're doing this. And yeah, we're going to take a Saturday and this Saturday, April 18th, and do the entire Book Yourself Solid workshop. One day intensive, smush it all together
Right.
and do it
And
all
you
in one day.
and Lou and I are top tier Book Yourself Solid coaches. I'm one of the
You're elite.
4 elite coaches out of the thousands out there.
And I
So
was in the very first class of coaches way back when.
we know this. We know this stuff inside and out. And what's going to be amazing is not only will you understand all of this over a day, and you may be saying, oh, I don't have a day to do this. You don't have a day not to do this.
Yeah, every day
Because
is
if you
Saturday.
break
Come on, we're working at home.
every day Saturday now. And if you break this up into pieces, or if you say, you know what, I'm going to read this on my own, it's just not going to happen. So we had a workshop last Saturday, and Nancy Olson said to us, well, you know what, the worst thing about saying yes to this is I had to give up a day, but the best thing about this was that it was a day.
One
So
Monday.
give yourself the gift of
Right.
understanding this. We're going to be 100% with you. We're going to have elegant slides. You'll have the worksheets. We recommend that you go out
Got
and
that.
make sure you order the book so you have the book with you on Saturday. That will be a great help. Lou, anything else you want to say?
It's free. I mean, we
It's
paid big
free.
bucks. We paid big bucks to learn this stuff.
We paid
But yeah,
thousands of dollars
free.
to learn this
Oh,
stuff.
and you said
And
no pitch, no pitching. This is not some gimmick or some schlocky go buy this $10,000 program. It's just we're just sharing this stuff because we know it, we love it, it helps people, and a lot of people need help right now. So
yeah, and we know that the right people will show up. We're going to have a blast. Lou and I threw amazing parties last weekend. Our party, we had a celebrity guest on our virtual. So who knows? Maybe we'll have a celebrity join us on
yeah,
this Saturday. I promise you, you will have the time of your life, and you will connect to world-class content that will have you emerging from this pandemic at the top of your game, and have you at home preparing right now to
yes.
make the moves that will make the difference.
So
So
you
Lou,
come on.
anything else you want to say?
Yeah,
We're going to
put
put
the
the
link.
link
Yeah.
in the comments. So please go below, click, give us your name and email, and we'll make sure that you have all the information, the worksheets, and the access
Yes.
to all of this.
Saturday, April
Click the
18th, this
link.
Saturday. It's going to
See
be
you
fun.
then.
Hope you can join us.
Okay. Bye now.